how to log into Aspire credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Aspire credit card online. Aspire is a financial technology company that offers banking solutions tailored for small businesses. Now to get logged into your Aspire credit card account, you will need to first open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, at the search bar, type aspire.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Now once you type this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will reach to the official website of Aspire. Now once you reach to this page, here at the right side, you will find the login section where you will need to enter your username in the first box and in the second box, enter your password. Make sure you enter your correct password here. You can also click on this show button at right side to reveal your password and check if you have entered it correctly or not. Now if you want to remember your username for future logins, you may click on this remember me button right here. Once you do so, now you can click on this sign in button and you will be able to access your Aspire credit card account online. If in case you don't remember your username or password of your Aspire account, you may click on this forgot password or username option and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account. Now after logging to your account, you can view your account balance, make payments, check transactions and manage other account details. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.